up, folks? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make the Monday, what's new? Weekly, what's new? Monday, what's new? Absolutely not really. Basically, I tried finishing the little two ends on the Wilton handle. My, what do you call it? Blah, 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 blah. Bandsaw is kaplunked. The blade's gotta go. I gotta find the blade. I tried using the cutoff tool. I think it's just a cheap cutoff tool. So I'm gonna have to order some more. What else? I discovered that the scaffolding wheels I'm working on, I should just throw them in the garbage and buy a new set to be easier. Or just the hell using wheels. Because it's probably cheaper, so I'll use that. Also, this here, I was gonna put all these DeWalt adapter components. Speaking of which, there's a piece missing here somewhere. There it is. I was going to put all these DeWalt adapter components in this box, but I forgot to check if it'll actually fit in the little car. It should fit, but I don't want to lose this. It should fit. Do I guarantee it? No. So, with that said, I'm going to have to measure that and see if it fits in the box. That won't even fit in the box. Something's gonna die on me. Getting a bleepy noise. And what else? I was gonna say, I'm gonna work on the Wilton handle again. I was gonna do some more welds on the body, and then just do some little spot welds and fix the major chip on it. Was all I'm doing. There's a video coming up with that this week or maybe tomorrow or whenever it was. Whatever, I don't know. So the Wilton's getting done. The screw I'm working on, I'm gonna probably put some screws in the slide. I'll be filming that just because I film everything. I'll film the tapping the screws. I'm probably going to re-vapor rust the body and thing, because there is some surface rust. If you look on here, this one is developing a little bit of surface rust. This one, not so much. There's a few spots. There's a few little nicks and crannies here that I'm not going to touch. I'm not playing with this. There's a couple of rusty spots. I think it's on the other one. I'm not sure where it is. Let me see. The other part. There's a few pieces I'm thinking of, I don't know, clean this up a little more. Maybe give it a little polish, grind it off a little, make it nicer. I might spot weld little spots, or just give it a little, I don't know, whatever. So anyway, that's going to get done this week. I'm going to drop all that in vapor rust. I'm probably going to tape off this and prime it. I got to put another little weld in there. This is actually doing pretty good. I have a wooden sign I'm making. I think I did that. That's going to be next on the agenda. I got to find a home for this little beast, probably in the little trophy pile over there. What else? Mostly it's a Wilton vise, throwing some stuff in the trash. Working on the sign because I really need the sign get done, so I might clean off this whole table, and I might not do it here. If I do, I'm going to probably do it outside if it gets nicer. I'm going to bring probably a couple of clamps, piece of wood, and my router, because I'm gonna get off the biggest pieces first, and I'm gonna have to hand chisel some spots, because there's no way I can maneuver my router in those spaces. I don't have a CNC machine and all, so it's all getting done by hand. Not that cool. The little tractor I still haven't found wheels for it. And there's not really much going on this week in my thing. There's a million videos coming out. I'm going to probably space them all out some more. And probably in about a month, I'm probably going to have a Monday What's New, and I'm going to probably start dropping off videos. Like, you'll see that I want a video every day of the week, that's just overload from when I first got on YouTube. And I was making a ton of videos. So, I will have a couple of new tools, though. I got a really cool pair of vice grips coming, which I sniped off of eBay, and I got a couple other little tools. I might be picking up a jackhammer, try that out. I might record some of the basement work I do, some of the concrete work, but I don't feel like doing it, because then somebody's like, oh look, you did this wrong, so I'm not even going to record it. Maybe not. that's other than that, there's nothing much else new. I'm just tinkering around here, and I got to order a couple of new. Yeah, I already said it. New cutoff tools. But I'm just gonna basically I'm trying to get the handle finished on this thing because there's no point in having a vise if you can't turn the handle. I should have just put a big wheel on it. But this body, it was raining outside. I'm gonna finish that. Screw the end cap, rust it again. Drop that in vapor rust. I will probably just zinc oxide prime it, and then just then I got to figure out how to put these holes back in. This part does have rust pits on it, so I'm wondering, like, should I I don't know, because I seen somebody I'll have to check this out because I got a little spot here and I seen somebody somehow get that nice little pitted patina on it, but it's got battle scars. I think I like it, and I don't know, I'm thinking of also maybe welding up the anvil part and just shearing it off a little so it's nice and smooth. Make a nice smooth anvil. Do I want to make it perfect? I don't think. I think if I make it perfect, I'm going to take all the love and attention it's had over the years off it, and I'd rather not. Oh, and I'm probably going to try to finish this too. The brass jaws. It's just got to go in here. They don't need to be this big, but so stay tuned, enjoy, and hope you like my channel. For some reason I'm getting a beeping in my ear.